Hey guys, this is Tech Racer and today we are going to unbox the Lenovo Ideapad 510. Now before unboxing the product, I would like to tell you guys that this is my first setup upgrade. So if you are new to this channel, then do hit that red subscribe button and a bell icon beside it so that you will get notified whenever I upload such a new video. So now let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, this is the actual box of the laptop and I have bought it from a offline store, so that's why as you can see the seal is already broken. So let's open the box and see what do we get inside. And the MRP return here on the box is 63,390 rupees, but you can easily get it for rupees 55,000 to 59,000 from an offline store and online store also, and the link will be also in the description as well. And on the right side of the box you get some specifications for the laptop also, and I will talk to the specifications later in this video. So let's quickly open the box and see what do we get inside. So first of all, after opening the box we get a phone, then we get a laptop inside a carry case, and there are quite a bit of documentation. So as you can see, we have two documents here. So this is the service center list and the phone numbers all across the world, and we have a quick start guide to guide you how to set up the laptop for the first time and use it afterwards. So only two documents inside it, and then we have another packet which includes the charger and nothing else inside the box. So this is the actual charger, and as you can see, this is the Lenovo branded charger with a pin for charging the laptop, and the output stated at the power adapter is 20 volts at 3.25 amps, so almost a 65 watt adapter. That's a very good thing. So guys, the laptop is in dark gray color as you can see, so it is called as a gunmetal color. The laptop is also available in a silver pearl color, but I got it in a gunmetal color. Now we have here a nice Lenovo branding which is embossed inside this case, and the full laptop is constructed using a plastic, but the build quality is really very nice. You do not have any flex here, as you can see, a very less keyboard flex and screen flex. So overall a very good build quality. We have a nice trackpad here with the chamfered edges on the corner. Then we have a 15.6 inch 1920 by 1080p full HD IPS LED display. So a very good, the best thing about this laptop is its display. It's a very good display for the price that you are paying. Now its speakers are powered by Harman. Now if we talk about the input output ports, then on the front we have nothing here. As you can see, we have no ports at the front, but on the right side we have a DVD reader writer, then a Kensington lock, a USB 2.0, a USB 3.0 and a status indicator LED. Then at the front we have nothing, and at the left side we have some more ports. So first of all we have a charging port, a charging LED indicator, then we have a dedicated VGA port. That's a very nice thing. Then we have a dedicated LAN port for connecting a Ethernet cable. Then we have a HDMI out for connecting it to another display. Then we have again USB 3.0 port, then a 3.5mm audio jack, and then there is a small Novo button which Lenovo uses for their recovery purpose. Then we have a dedicated micro SD card slot. So this is all for the actual input output ports. At the bottom side of the laptop we see so many cooling vents here, and these two are easy to upgrade slots. So if you remove this panel, then you will be able to access the current installed RAM, and you can expand the RAM by removing this. And if you want to upgrade the SSD hard disk, then you have to remove this part to swap in a hard disk or a SSD. Now this is it for this input output. Now let's turn on the laptop. So guys, as you can see here, Windows 10 Home single language. Then processor is the Core i5-7200U. Then we have 8 gigs of then we have 8 GB of RAM, 64-bit operating system, and Windows is activated. So everything comes pretty nicely packed. So you do not need to worry about the Windows license also. Now let's quickly see the graphics card, because this laptop comes with a Nvidia GeForce 940MX, which is a 4 GB of DDR3 card. And as you can see, we have here the information and the same processor and the RAM. And in the display department we have integrated HD graphics 620, which is the integrated Intel CPU graphics. Then in the render section you can see Nvidia GeForce 940MX. So this is the 4 GB DDR3 graphics card which comes inside this laptop. So overall, a very nice specification for the price that you are paying. Now if we talk about the price, I got this laptop for about 60,000 rupees in an offer, because for 60,000 I got a laptop and a Canon Pixma all-in-one printer for 60,000 rupees. So it was a quite good deal for me, but you can easily get it for rupees 55,000 in offline store or even online stores. So I will put down the link in the description for more information. Guys, now let's have an audio test for the speakers, because the speakers are powered by Harman, and the speaker is situated at the bottom. As you can see, one is here and another is here. So we have two speakers at the bottom. So now let's check the audio quality of the speakers. Just So guys, now let's take a look at the display quality. So I will just load a new video. So let's take a look at full HD. So let's launch this video and set the quality to again the volume is at 100. Now it's running in a 2K resolution. Now let's switch to 4K. Now as you can see we are in a 4K, so it will now buffer in a 4K. So let's see how does it work when we use the 4K resolution. So guys, the 4K video is also quite nice. As you can see, it's playing it pretty nicely. Since my internet connection is not that strong, so it's struggling with the buffering, but overall the video playback is really very smooth. So we can play the 4K video, but if then you need a very strong connection or a video file which is already downloaded, so it can handle the 4K video playback via YouTube, so no issues with that also. So guys, this is it for this video test of this laptop, and a full review of this laptop is coming real soon, so just subscribe to the channel. And this is it for this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Then do it at like button, and again thank you guys, thanks for watching.